we are not teaching kids how to be independent or take care of themselves in the system. It's pure indoctrination to be completely codependent on the government. Growing up in the education system ourselves, I know it's hard for people to look at it for what it really is, but if you think about it, if you're this global elite group who wants to indoctrinate a message, a whole way of life, to an entire population, what better way to do it than to take children from the ages 5 to 18 and have them under your complete control? You've stripped them of any ability to learn under natural circumstances. It's all just theory, no reality applied. And what are we even teaching kids in schools these days?
If you would just get up and teach them instead of handing them a freaking packet, yo. There's kids in here who don't learn like that. Bye. They need to learn face to face. You're just getting mad because I'm pointing out the obvious.
I understand people who tell me that they fear the world without a government. It's done on purpose. You're supposed to feel this way. The government is now raising your children for you. It's a scary thought if you understand what their whole plan is. They've busted the economy, so now both parents are working. Now this was a devious little plan set back when we were still dealing with women's liberation. They knew the best way to destroy the family was to get the mom out of the house. Now mom's out of the house working away, and both parents are too busy and not making enough money, even though both are working, to have the time to dedicate to raising their children and educating them themselves. I don't think you can empower your children any more than to pull them out of public schooling and raise them at home. You take your children out of school and try to raise them at home, and you don't get the regulated, regimented curriculum from the state, they'll take your kids from you. So not only are our children being taken away from us in regards to not having time to raise them ourselves or educate them with our own knowledge, the knowledge they're actually being taught in schools, in my opinion, isn't quite so much knowledge as it is just regurgitating what rewritten history the school system decides to teach. Using the system against itself by educating yourself with the internet, it really is a tool, everyone. We can use this to teach ourselves. I know it's traditional in your minds to, get out of public school, go to college, then go to university, and then get a job. We're making it very hard for children to even get out of the education system without horrible debt. And then the Army comes along with the promise of free school. And so now you've got a subservient zombie high on Ritalin going into the Army and being given a gun. They put you in so much debt for school, and now you're their slave forever. So in my opinion, the damage is done with the school system. I think the only hope we have at this point is to really get diligent on educating ourselves properly so that we can educate our own children. Find yourself a talent. Use your entire life trying to find whatever your skill is. Get good at it. Become self-employed and pay yourself with that skill. And then you can have the time to have children, raise them yourselves, homeschool them, and have your views and opinions projected on your children instead of the views and opinions of the state.